Humulus lupulus information. Humulus lupulus, commonly known as hops, is a species of flowering plant in the hemp family, Cannabaceae. It is native to Europe, Western Asia, and North America, and is widely cultivated for use in the brewing industry. The plant is a perennial climbing vine that can grow up to 8 meters in height. The leaves are opposite and palmately lobed, with 3 to 5 lobes. The female flowers, called cones, are green, papery, and shaped like a pine cone. They contain a resinous substance called lupulin, which gives hops their characteristic bitter flavor and aroma. The male flowers are smaller and grow in clusters. Hops are primarily used in the brewing industry to impart flavor, bitterness, and aroma to beer. They are added to the boiling wort during the brewing process, which extracts the bitter acids and essential oils from the cones. Hops also have preservative properties that help to extend the shelf life of beer. In addition to their use in brewing, hops have been traditionally used for their medicinal properties. They have sedative and anti-inflammatory effects, and have been used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and digestive disorders. Overall, Humulus lupulus is an important plant species that has both cultural and economic significance, and has been used for centuries for both its medicinal and culinary properties.